Courtesy of the owner. This is from Lucifer.
He asked me to make you something black.
Did I get it wrong? You and Lucifer seem really close. I followed him through the gates of hell. I'll take that as a yes.